And I'm Dr. Deuk here at the Deuk Spine Institute. I'm smiling because I'm sitting with my first surgical patient of 2023. I don't know if you realize that, but you were the first one of this year, of the new year. Now, you had the Deuk laser disc repair done on your lower back because you had 3 bad discs, and we did that yesterday.
Yesterday, yes.
And here you are, one day later. How do you feel?
And I feel good. I feel good, and the pain that I've been suffering for months is gone. I mean, a little bit sore, but that's from the surgery itself.
Yeah.
But otherwise, I feel good. Feel good.
Now, you've had back pain too, on and off for 30 years. We were talking about that. Tell us about those episodes of back pain. What do they do to you?
The first one that I recall was pulling out a sofa bed thing. And I got so far with it, you know, we had company and I was opening up the bed, and all of a sudden I just could not move. I couldn't move. My husband had to practically carry me. So I was out of work for a week or so, and then at the chiropractor, and then gradually it got better, and I thought, well, that's fine. And I moved on, and then, you know, had a couple other times like that. One time I was drying my hair, getting ready for work, with the blow dryer going like this with my hair, and all of a sudden, it's like I couldn't move. I couldn't move my arm down. I couldn't, I mean, it was that quick.
Yeah.
And just, I was out again for another week, laying in the bed and doing all that stuff. And then I thought I was fine, but I always, not always, but for many years now, probably at least those 30, I had lower back pain, where in the morning I couldn't bend over to brush my teeth. You know, that would really hurt.
Yes.
So I had that.
Do you have that pain now?
No, I don't think so.
It's gone.
The pain this morning, I was the first time in a long time I've gotten up first thing in the morning and was able to walk and not have that awful pain, because first thing in the mornings was the toughest.
I'm so happy for you. So how is this surgery going to help you in your life?
Well, hopefully I can, once I can at least walk again. I was not able to barely walk with a walker. I was very active in my church and my community.
So you want to get active again?
And being in such pain now since July, and this is the new year, I'm anxious to get back to, you know, my life.
Yes, of course. Well, you had 3 herniated discs in your lower back, and you can see in the footage where we went into each of those 3 discs, and I used a laser to clean the tear, where you had a tear in the back of each of those discs called an annular tear, and the jelly from the center was stuck in the tear, holding it open, allowing more herniations to come out. So I got rid of the jelly that was in there using the laser, cleaned out the tear, and now your body will be able to heal that for the first time in 30 years. So I don't expect you to ever have that pain ever again.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I am so thankful.
Well, you had faith and you found us.
Yes, I did.
You did what's right for your body, and I'm excited for you. So
I believe I did. I just kind of was led to you, and it just all went bing bang boom, and I didn't ask a whole lot of other people what they thought. I just did what I thought was I needed to do.
Good.
For me.
Is there anything you want to say to your fans out there?
I would recommend that if you do something to your back, that you take care of it early on. You take care of it right away. The longer you wait, the harder it is and the longer it takes.
It takes a toll on your life.
Oh, definitely. It has taken a toll on mine since this summer, for sure, where I have not been able to sometimes not function at all, barely be able to sit in a chair and be comfortable without squirming, because I couldn't find that exact place where I didn't have pain. You know?
I don't see you squirming anymore.
No, I'm not squirming. I know. That's great. Sit here without pain.
Congratulations.
Thanks to you.
All right. Have a blessed day.
Thank you. You do as well.